So we're in week 5, and I just put up an announcement that rattled off the statistics for exam 1, which you just finished. And a lot of you did quite well. Over half of you made some grade of either A or B after I gave the little 5-point curve. Now, the grade that you see in there in the grade book on Canvas right now is the grade you earned. I'm going to be adding the 5 points sometime today, and today is Tuesday, the 16th of 2021. And so you'll see that grade go up by a value of 5. Now, there are some of you that even with that 5 additional points still did not do so well. If you want to, if you're concerned, you want to talk to me about it, send me an email and we can set up some sort of discussion time where you and I can either meet online or talk face to face. Okay, enough for exam 1. What's coming up? We have in the next 3 weeks 3 very important topics that, in order, they are absolute time. So, how we get those numbers of millions of years ago. So, you now already know about the time scale that comes from fossils, those words, the relative time scale. We're going to do absolute time. Then we're going to follow that with plate tectonics, how the Earth is dynamic through time, and then finally there'll be a little section on organic evolution, how life on planet Earth changes through time. And then there'll be exam 2. I'll do the same sort of thing. There's going to be a couple of quizzes to prep you and get you ready for this thing. There's going to be another review sheet study guide. And again, for those of you that probably didn't do as well as you'd hoped, if you were to go back to that study guide and compare that to the test that you got, you would see that yes, indeed, that was a good contract. That what I said would be on there would be on there. And pay a particular close attention to those figures. One way to study for that when you get the next review sheet study guide is to look at the figures on the exam and imagine, what would Rex ask about that figure? And then a lot of times you'll find, yeah, he asked that. So think about that, and we'll talk to you again next week.